Hello guys, I'm Hoodbrook and I welcome you back to my channel. Guys, we are still with our Photoshop tutorials, and today we are going to learn something about the clipping mask effect as we did the other time. But this time we are going to add some kind of a portrait with the text instead of the text only. So to begin, I'm going to open Photoshop, which I've already done. Then I'm going to go to File, then New. So guys, I'm going to create my background using the weight 1920. Then I'm going to go with the height as 1400. Resolution, I'm going to take it down to 72. Then my background white, then create. So guys, I have my background now. The next thing I want to do is upload my picture. So I'm going to go to File, then Open. Then I'm going to select my image, then Open. Okay guys, so I now have my picture in Photoshop, and the next thing I'm going to do is grab my quick selection tool and make a quick selection on my figure. So guys, to zoom in and out, as I already taught you in my other videos, I'm going to hold Alt, then use the scroll button to zoom in and out. And also to zoom, to increase the size of your quick selection tool, to increase and reduce the size of your quick selection tool, use the bracket keys as indicated on the screen. So I'm going to make a selection of my figure. And guys, please, if you are making a selection and by mistake you selected the part you are not supposed to select and you want to deselect that area, hold Alt, then select that part to deselect the area. If you are done, you can release your Alt key, then you keep on selecting. Okay guys, I'm done with the selection. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on my layer mask, which is you can be found below. It looks like a rectangle with a circle within. Click on that to create your layer mask. So the next thing to do is grab your move to move the image to the background you created, then release. Resize the image to the size you want. I just want it to be large like this, so I'm gonna leave it this way. Maybe drag it a bit down. Then yeah, okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do now is grab my text tool. This time I'm not going to go for my horizontal, but rather I'm going to use the vertical type tool. So to do that, I'm going to right click on my text tool, then vertical type tool. So I'm going to type out something, and I think hope. Yeah, then I'm going to apply. I'm going to grab my move tool, then I'm going to resize my hope using the shortcut key Ctrl+T. Drag from the corner, make sure you're holding your Alt, then drag, and yeah, I think it's okay. So I'm going to position using my move to right here. Yeah, I'm okay with it. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my layer mask, then I'm going to grab my brush to go to my brush settings and make sure I have this round one. And guys, you should make sure your hardness is on at 100%. Then guys, before you could erase within your text, make sure you're having your white above your black. If your black is above your white, change the position using this arrow by clicking on the arrow to change the position. Make sure the white is above the black, then erase part of your image. Yeah. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is grab my move tool, make sure I have my layer selected, hold Control, then click on your text to select your text. And guys, I'm going to extend this selection made on the text, and to do that I'm going to go to select, then modify, then expand. So I'm going to go with 8 because I don't want to have a very big extend. I just want to have it a little bit around the selection made. So I'm just going to go with 8, then okay. Sure. So guys, if you could see, the selection you made has been extended. If you zoom and you could see the selection has been extended. So what to do next, I'm going to erase every part, every image within a selection. You could just grab your erase tool, then start to erase, or you could make sure you're having your black above your white this time, then use the shortcut key Alt plus backspace to delete everything within the selection. Then guys, I'm going to go back to fit my picture to the frame using Ctrl+0. Then I'm going to deselect using Ctrl+D. So guys, this is what I have now. So the next thing I'm going to do is duplicate my layer. I'm going to duplicate my layer using the shortcut key Ctrl+J, then drag the layer above, then right click on your layer mask, then delete layer mask, right click again, then create clipping mask. So guys, this is the effect I'm having today. This time you're having your portrait plus your text having the clipping mask effect. So guys, the reason I use the landscape is I'm also going to show you something like after you are done with this effect, you could also type something else. Like for example, I'm going to try this time. I'm going to go for my horizontal. So guys, I'm now going to type out something like, yeah, my name is Hood. Yeah, then grab my move tool, then position my text. So guys, actually today the main focus was on this portrait with the text effect having the clipping marks. So guys, I think this is what I have for you today, and until we meet again, is bye bye.